Hello and welcome to SAP Learning Academy and welcome to this tutorial. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to explain about the map merge operator in SQL Script. So I will be telling you about the description, when and where we're going to use it, and also I will be showing you the example so that you can have a understanding on that. So before starting, so please subscribe my channel if you haven't done yet, because as soon as I upload a new video, so you're gonna get it. So let me start the description. The map merge operator is used to apply each row of the input table and unite the intermediate result tables. The purpose of this map merge is that it will replace the sequential for loop and union pattern. Suppose you have a logic where you are using the for loop and after that you are uniting the data using union. So it can replace your sequential for loop and then it can do the same function what for loop and union does, but it will reduce the time because it is seen that so if you are writing the map merge, it is going to reduce around 1/10 what does by for an union. So let me show you an example right here, and I have written a small procedure. First I'll be showing you the example of for loop and union. So after that I'll be showing you the map merge how we can write it. So in this small example, first we have written the get address procedure. So using this, we are actually fetching up the address of the employees. And so what we're doing is get address which execute a simple uh, against each address table and passes the result to the output parameter. And in the anonymous block below that, I mean just right here, what we have written below this procedure in this anonymous block. So we loop through employees and each employee we get the get address procedure union the result of the call to the output of the block. So let me just describe that again. Look, the address we are getting from up here, and we are looping with this employee table and just recalling up the address here, and whatever the address we are getting by each row by row, so everything will be joined using the union in the address to table. So using this for loop, we are reading the data, reading the table row by row, and then we are collecting the data using the union. So instead of doing the same thing, so we can have the same logic implemented using the map merge. And let me tell you that map merge, for before using the map merge operator, uh, you have to create the function, because procedures are not going to defined here. You need to create a function for that. Like I have written a get add function. Suppose if I just replace the up here, like in my earlier videos you can see how to create function. So just you need to create kind of function like get function up here, and after that the function will have some return. So you should do one returns, so returns output table, returns returns, and then your table, and in this way so we can use this. So and here we have done the same thing. We are just picking up the employees from the employee table, then we are using the map merge operator on the employee data what he got, and this employee get address up from here. So what it does, so it will do the same thing what has been done by the for loop. So here it will iterate every row, so and then it will pass the address and it will do the union. So it will replace the sequential for loop and union. So by this actually it will reduce the execution time, and also it will simplify the code that you're writing. So that's all about this tutorial and what we have learned. If we just quickly go through that, so we have just simply talked about the map merge and its importance in the logic. So that's all about this video. So please look into my our other videos, and those are related to SAP SQL Script and other SAP videos. So have a nice day. Thank you.